More problem from William White textbook. Find V1 in the circuit shown using source transformation technique and obtain simplified equivalent circuit. It is a dependent source problem. Okay. It is a current source. Diamond shape is actually it is current source whose value depends on V1. It is a voltage controlled current source. So it is a current source and it is in series with the voltage source. So in order to simplify, we need to convert. In series we can add voltages. In series we can add voltages. So we need to convert this one to voltage value. So V is equal to IR 2V1 into 17. It is 34 V1 and aram oxide plus aram oxide plus and same 17 ohm you have to connect here. Okay, we cannot in between these 2 points there is a dependent current source that we converted into dependent voltage source. Now these two are in series. Two voltage sources are in series. We can add it. You're going to get 34 V1. Don't add. This is zero point 0.6 volts. This is 34 V1. This is a dependent source. It's an independent source. So don't add both. Okay, let it keep as it is. But this 7 and 17 resistance can be added. 17 plus 7 is 24 and this 2 ohms. You have to keep as it is. Now I have to find voltage V1. No? This is a simple circuit where I can apply KVL. This is minus plus. Let me write this is plus minus. This is plus minus. Current in this path is I, where V1 is, this is V1 no, 34 V1, where V1 is from the circuit, V1 is 2 times I. V1 is 2 times I, current, this current. And it is mapping with plus minus, here also plus minus. So now apply KVL for this, starting from this point. Okay. So I'll apply start from any point. I will apply from this. Okay, you can, this is also correct. So I'm using opposite notation. So don't get confused. So this is plus is there now, plus 34 V1. This is 24, again 24 I1. This is minus zero point 0.6, minus zero point 0.6 plus 2I is equal to 0. You substitute V1 as 2I. Substitute V1 as 2I. Then if you simplify this, you are going to get this equation. If you reduce, you will get same as this. So this equation throughout multiply by negative, you will get same answer only. Okay, or you bring all the terms right side, you'll get same term only. And if you simplify, you're going to get 94 I is equal to 0.6. I is equal to 0.6 by 94. 94 or 74? 94. You'll get 6.4 milliamps. 6.4 milliamps. They ask you to find current or voltage. Find V1. Find V1. Where V1 is this? So from the diagram, V1 is 2 into whatever current is flowing here. So we got I 6.4 milliamps. So V1 is 2 times I. It is 12.8 millivolts. One more problem. This is also I textbook. Determine power dissipated by 1 mega ohm. You can go through it. Not so important. Power is given by I square into R. Last problem. This is a question paper problem. By using source transformation technique. ST method means source transformation. By source transformation method, find current through 10 ohm. This is asked for 4 marks. So this is practical current source. This is practical voltage source. You have to find current through 10 ohm. So in series, I cannot add voltages. In series, I can add voltages. So there is a current source. So better you convert this one to. If I convert this one to current source, you'll get two current sources are in series. I cannot add that. So that's why convert this one to voltage source so that in series I can add two voltage source. So convert this to voltage source. So I is equal to V is equal to IR. I is 10 at an angle 90 amperes. This I into R. You will get 50 angle 0 volts, and same impedance you have to connect in series. Whatever is there in the current source parallel, same thing you have to connect it in series. Now these two voltage sources are in series. Okay. Or you can apply KVL, and you can, because in series I can find the current. So apply KVL for this. So minus plus, this is plus to minus. This also plus to minus, plus to minus. I can apply KVL for this starting from this. Okay. This is minus now. So minus 10 angle 0 plus J5 I1 plus, this is minus, here minus is there, minus 50 angle 0 minus J5, actually plus, but its capacitance of minus J5 into I plus 10 I is equal to 0. Minus plus will get cancelled. Okay. This is 10 angle 0, 50 angle 0. It is 60 angle 0 it will come, and 10I is equal to 60 angle 0, and I is equal to 60 angle 0 by 10, it is equal to 6 angle 0 amps, or 6 amps. So this also asked only one time in the exam. Also important. Read this also. And this is, if you have time, you repeat it. Okay, thank you. These are the problems, important problems you can expect from the model number 1, that is source transformation. In the next video, I will explain star to delta, delta to star conversion problems.